Houston, we have a problem. So what do you do when the clean light illuminates on your Mr. Coffee PSTX series coffee maker? Well, I'm going to show you. Very simple. You want to put 6 cups of white vinegar in here. Right there. And this is highly technical. But if you threw away the manual like some people do, you wouldn't know what to do, would you? Put a empty, clean. I was ready to go for making coffee tomorrow. See, wasn't gonna work. Put an empty, clean filter in there. Sorry about that. Hope I didn't give you a headache. Hit the clean button. Now this is going to take 45 minutes, and what it does is it will it'll run about 3 cups of vinegar through the machine, and it's going to pause itself for 30 minutes, and then it will cut back on after 30 minutes, and it'll finish brewing the other 3 cups of vinegar. And when all that's done, the whole 45-minute cycle is completed. The clean light will turn off and the coffee maker will turn off. Then you need to run you need to take that filter out and run 2 full 10-cup cycles of clean water through it, like as if you're making coffee but not putting coffee in it, to get all the vinegar out. Then you're good to go. So I got to do this tonight so I can have coffee in the morning. But that's how you do it. If there's anything interesting that comes out of the filter, gets hung up in the filter, I'll show you. But there's even a thing on there that shows you how many minutes left you got before it's all said and done. So I like this coffee maker. There's no warming plate on here. It's an insulated stainless steel carafe, and it keeps coffee, you know, hot for a long time. But it's an awesome coffee maker, and I've had, you know, good ones. I've had buns and stuff that, you know, they're good, but I like this one better. FYI. And here's what it is, if you're interested. Mr. Coffee PSTX series. Okay, that did it. That made the light go out. Ran the 45-minute cycle through. Let me show you what we got. Now you may not be able to see what I see in this filter. I should have used a brown filter and things would have shown up better, but there's a little bit of, see that white speck at about the 2:30, let's see here, about the 2 o'clock position, 2:30 position. There's stuff like that next to it there in that little puddle. Back over here at about 6:30, there's some. So it did clean some things out of here, and they got caught in the filter. The more, let me get rid of this. The more interesting finds are actually in the carafe itself. If I didn't just shake it up. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this at all, but we'll try. And get some light going. See the bottom? That's sediment. That brown stuff, that's sediment. This carafe gets washed every time I use it, so there aren't any stains or anything in it. Matter of fact, I could probably just stir it up. Let's see, there's 6 cups in it. I don't want to spill this stuff, it's vinegar. But anyway, it pulled quite a bit of material out of there. So whenever that light comes on, clean your coffee maker. Or if you don't have a light, I think this one says that that light comes on every 90 cycles, or whenever it has taken too long to make coffee for two cycles or something like that. So anyway, it's worthwhile to run some vinegar through there every now and then, and keep your pot clean. Thanks for watching. Time for some coffee.